Ukraine, which has continued to surprise Russian troops since the beginning of the war with its superior defense, continues to effectively use the weapon systems it has received from its allies. Last day, Ukrainian forces destroyed a Russian counter-battery radar with HIMARS missiles purchased from the United States. According to a statement by Andrei Yermak from the Ukrainian presidential office, the radar station was located behind the Russian lines on the Donetsk front, but the radar system was destroyed despite its location behind the Russian line. According to information from the region, the radar system was located in a field. Ukrainian forces detected the system with unmanned aerial vehicles and used HIMARS missiles to hit the target with pinpoint accuracy and destroy it. Since the beginning of the war in 2022, the Ukrainian army has received drones from many countries, especially Turkey, and they have used and continue to use these drones very effectively both in attack and in detecting enemy units. Russian equipment detected and destroyed by drones is a huge burden on both the Russian army and the Russian economy. Russia, which claims to have the best air defense systems in the world, has yet to find a solution to Ukraine's drone attacks and reconnaissance. This radar system is not the only Russian equipment destroyed by Ukrainian forces today. A Russian Su-25 aircraft preparing to attack Ukrainian positions was also shot down by Ukrainian troops. What do you think about Ukraine's counterattacks and the inability of the Russian army's air defense coverage? Don't forget to express your thoughts in the comment section.